Hello, this is James with Lot Hill. I'm going to show you how to create a bundle or kit, maybe a bill of materials within CashFootprint. This is going to allow you to sell multiple items or keep track of multiple items by selling a single item. First thing we're going to do, go to the Manage menu, Inventory, Inventory again. Then we're going to create a new item, so click Add. You can type in the name of your kit or bundle. I'm just going to do POS kit, that's what we sell. And if you want to have multiple kits, then you could use the group code KIT. That way anytime, or K would probably be good. That way anytime at the point of sale, if you hit K and enter, in the item box here, if you hit K and then enter, it will bring up a list of all your kits. So that's one good thing to do there. That's nice and easy. And then in here, I'm just going to go POS kit number 1. And this kit is going to be an assembled item, which means at the point of sale screen, you're going to see only a single item on the transaction. However, it's going to reduce the quantity on hand for all the items within that transaction, or within that kit or bundle. It's a bill of materials, basically. You sell a house and it's made up of wood, concrete, shingles, windows, all that stuff, but you're selling a house. That's kind of the example. So I'm going to link in the items that I want to sell. First, you got to save it. So now I'm going to link in all my items. I'm going to do some hardware here. Let's just say this kit has a desktop. It's got a monitor. Do a 17-inch touch. So I've got a couple items in there, and hit save. And then now I've got my linked items associated to this assembled item. The sales price for the entire kit, we'll just say that that's, I think $13.79 is our kit online. And you can assign that to different attributes and photos and all kinds of stuff. But the bulk of setting up the assembled item is done. So this assembled item type, again, is a single item on the transaction. And if you want to sell more than one of these items within here, you can just increase the quantity. So if I want to do 2 PCs and 2 monitors in this kit, then I can do that. So if you have an example where you want to sell 5 of something in a single kit, you can change that to 5 or whatever number it is. Hit save. So every time I sell this kit, it's going to reduce my stock for my PC or my monitor by 2 each, for each quantity of the kit. So if I sell 2 kits, that would be 4 of these and 4 of these. So that's how that works. If you're doing a bundle, that's the other type. The bundle will allow you to sell the same items, except those items that are within the bundle will show up on the transaction as well. So that's the difference between the two. Bundle will allow you to add, say you've got 5 items that are associated to the bundle, all 5 will show up on the point of sale screen, whereas with the assembled item, you're only going to see the main kit, or bundle, or whatever you want to call it. So that's the difference between the two. So we've done an assembled item. I'm going to hit save here. Go back to the point of sale screen. I'm going to type in K and hit enter. Since I only have 1, it's going to pull that item up. When I sell this, it's going to reduce my stock of my PC and my monitor by 2. If I do a return, the exact opposite will happen. It will put back 2 and put back 2 to replenish my stock. So that's how you do an assembled item or bundled item. The other way to sell multiple items would be just to click on the quantity and change it to 5, hit OK. If you have an item in that you ring up and you want to sell it a couple more times, you can hold the shift key and hit F1. That will add it to the sale again. Notice the quantity, I changed this one so that it's still at 1, but by default it adds 1 every time. So shift F1 will add multiple of the same item that was just previously sold. So if you want to do like a repeat item, basically is what it amounts to. So instead of changing the quantity, you just hit shift F1 and it will add it in there again. So that's an easy way to do 5, is more items than just the 1. So if I do K, shift F1, hit that a few times, it'll add it in there. Then you don't have to change the quantity or scan the item again. That's another way to do it. So if you have any questions, please reach out to 855 Lot Hill or shoot us an email at product.support@lothill.com.